Hi, I'm Dr. Patty Ford, and we're just doing a series on if you're wanting to change your body. One of the best tips, this is not the best angle, one of the best tips is if you're wanting to change your body, get really good at falling ridiculously in love with the body you have now. And that can be really scary because that's like, oh my gosh, well, if I fall in love with this now, that means I'll never change. That's very illogical, meaning if you fall in love with who you are now, then you're going to want to invest in it, whether that be time or resources or connection. The more that you love something, the more time you want to spend with it, not escape it. And so asking yourself, do I love my body right now? 8 out of 10 women would say no. But maybe you do and just don't realize it. So how can you fall back in love with your body again? What would that look like? Is that possible? Is that frightening? What would it take? What would it take for you to love the skin that you're in right now? Leave a comment. Let me know what it would take. Like and follow for more.